Good morning, student. Today we are going to start our next chapter. That's chapter number 6, a trip to Mars. Okay, so I am reading here the chapter. Listen it carefully and try to read and understand the chapter. Okay, so let's start our chapter. Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun. It is second smallest planet in the solar system and it is named after the Roman god of war, Mars. It is also called the red planet due to its reddish color. Mars has fascinated humankind due to its unique color. As in this paragraph we are talking about our one of the planet named as Mars. Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun. As our Earth is also a planet, so Mars is also a planet. It is red in color. It is the second smallest planet in the solar system. Its name has been given by its name has been named after a Roman god of war named as Mars. So because of its red color, it has been fascinated, means attracted the people for many queries and to explore it. Okay, the red planet has also inspired many writers and filmmakers. H.G. Wells' War of the Worlds is one such book. It is a story about the invasion of the earth by the Martians. Interestingly, when this story was read on the radio in the United States in 1838, many people got scared. They thought the attack was happening for real. So because due to its color and more interest in this planet by filmmakers and writer, many filmmakers and writer has wrote some stories on it, and it has been seen in 1938 United States. When this story is being read in the radio, many people thought that really it's happening like that. Okay, Mars Attack, Red Planet and Total Recall are some of the popular movies on their subject. Some of the movies are Mars Attack, Red Planet and Total Recall. Many more movies has been made yet. Na? Human interest on Mars was not just limited to movies and stories. Despite repeated attempts, on one had managed to land a spacecraft on Mars for a very long time. In 1975, the US sent two spacecraft, Viking and Viking 2, both successfully reached Mars in 1976. Each spacecraft lasted many years and sent information back to Earth. So because of the human interest and more queries related to Mars, our scientists from all over the world are trying to explore it. So in the year 1975, a US spacecraft had two spacecraft naming Viking and Viking 2. Both were landed in Mars, and they landed and they collected the information and sent it back to the Earth successfully. Okay. They could not find any trace of life on the planet, but we do have many interesting facts about the red planet today. The red color is due to the presence of iron oxide on the surface of Mars. Mars has north and south polar ice caps like the Earth. These ice caps contain frozen water. As a result, some scientists still believe life could have once existed there. A year on the Mars is 638 days long, and the length of a day on Mars is similar to the Earth. A Martian day is 24 hours and 39 minutes long. Okay, in this paragraph we are studying that why Mars is of red color. Because of the presence of iron oxide in the Mars, it achieve the rain color. Like in our Earth we are having the North Pole and South Pole. There also in Mars also North Pole and South Pole is present. and ice caps are also been in that planet because of frozen water. Okay, so scientists believe that if there is possibility of frozen water there, then might be some years or some decades before the life could have been existed there. And the year, in like in our earth, we are having a year of 365 days, but in Mars we are having year of 685 days. The days, in a day we are having 24 hour, but in Mars there are 24 hour and 39 minutes for a day. India too has done her bit to find more about Mars. On 5th November 2013, Indian Space Research Organization ISRO sent Mars orbiter mission MOM into the space of circle around Mars. MOM is also known as Mangalyaan. It reached Mars on 23rd September 2014 and has been successfully flying around the planet ever since. India has joined the USA, the European Space Agencies, and Russia in the club of Martian Explorer. ISRO scientists have also said that Mangalyaan has enough fuel to keep studying Mars for years to come. In the meantime, everyone in India is wondering if Mangalyaan will come in contact with an alien soon. So, like the other countries are exploring about the Mars, so our Indian scientists are also very anxiously um, in waiting for it. So on in year 2013, on 5th of November, our country ISRO, our country India, through Indian Space Research Organization scientists, astronauts have sent an orbit named as Mangalyaan to its orbit, named as, it's also named as MOM. Okay, you might be knowing the Mangalyaan, the story of the Mangalyaan we have seen in the films also, isn't it? So on 3rd September 2014, it has landed successfully in the Mars, and still it's working very nicely and giving us information from Mars to India. They are collecting the information still, and the scientists are saying that soon, if any livelihood is possible there, so in Mangalyaan will come in contact with the alien, and soon we get the more information about the Mangalyaan. And fuel is also enough to work till, because while anything machine needs a fuel for its properly working, so there is enough fuel in the Mangalyaan to work it properly. So this one is our chapter related to the Mars and its research and different types of research made throughout the world related to Mars. Okay, thank you for watching the video.